Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this clipping without leaving out my natural hair. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this clipping without leaving out my natural hair. You know, we are getting into the winter period, so I know that just like me, a lot of people don't like leaving out their natural hair, like doing like a protective style. And when you have a clipping, you can be in a tight corner not knowing how to install your clipping without leaving out your hair. So that is what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install it. This clipping is from CURLSQUEEN hair company. I've used it before in my previous video, but I'm going to link everything that has to do with the clipping in the description box below. It's absolutely beautiful, as you guys can see. So without further ado, now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so guys, I'm just gonna quickly section my hair. I'm just gonna quickly do like a braid pattern for this style. So I'm done with the braiding pattern, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the clipping looks like. So this is the clipping. You guys can see the hair looks very nice. So I'm just gonna quickly install the clippings. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how to install the clipping without leaving out your hair. So after installing the clipping to this extent, I'm going to be crocheting the hair from the clipping like so. I can't even explain it. I'll just rather you guys watch it. When you watch it, you see exactly how I'm doing it and you'll be able to understand better. So as you can see, I'm crocheting the hair from, taking the hair from the clipping beneath and then crocheting it to the braids, as you guys can see. So you guys can see how it looks. Very nice. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to put the clips, and when I put the clips, I'm going to start crocheting the hair through the braids in front. So right here, I'm just gonna apply my hair oil. So I'm just gonna take like the front part of the hair and straighten out a little bit. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I really love this hair. I love the clipping, it's so beautiful. So right here, I'm just gonna do like a style on the hair. And this is what the style looks like. Very, very nice. So right here, I tried to just put the hair in a lower bun and then just wrap it round. And as you guys can see, it looks very, very nice. So right here, I'll be doing a different style. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this particular style. It's so, so nice. It's so simple. Very cute. So I tried to just spread out the cornrows a little bit. And this is what it looks like. Very, very lovely. That will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys. Bye.